Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but effective video. Today's video, I'll be making aloe vera and pineapple juice. I'll also be putting in some kiwi, cucumber, and I'll be adding some water. And honestly, I've drank this drink before several times, and each time I drink this drink is like I'm drinking it for the first time. It's very nice and it's very refreshing. Now, let's just talk a little bit about the benefits of the ingredients that we've got here. The aloe vera. The aloe vera can prevent and treat dehydration. It can also use for constipation, clear skin, nutritious foods, and the aloe vera can even help with digestive benefits. And there's many more. The list goes on. The pineapple. The pineapple is loaded with lots of nutrients. Studies even show that the enzyme in the pineapple may ease digestion and may boost the immunity. Pineapple is also got iron, magnesium, copper, fiber, and the list goes on. Kiwi. Kiwi is high in vitamin C. Kiwi support the immune function. It reduces damage to the DNA, fight inflammation, and it can also be used to help in weight loss. The cucumber. The cucumber is high in beneficial nutrients as well as certain plant compounds and antioxidants that may help and treat certain conditions. Also, the cucumber are low in calories and contain a good amount of water. Soluble fiber, making them ideal for promote, hydrate, and aiding in weight loss. So that's just a brief information about all of the ingredients that we've got here. I'll put a more detailed one down in the description. So if you want a more detailed one, down in the description and you'll find it. So now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to stop the video, peel the pineapple. We're going to use about half of the pineapple. We're going to just use a nice piece of the aloe vera. So I'm just going to pause the video. I'm going to sort out, cut the aloe vera, cut the pineapple, peel the pineapple, and then I'll get back to you. So we're back again, people. I've peeled the pineapple, cut it up. It's about 1.5 cup of pineapple. The aloe vera, I've scraped out the gel out of it. We're going to use 1 cucumber, and we're going to use 2 kiwi with about 3.5 to 4 cups of water. So now let's just put all the ingredients them in our blender. So this is the pineapple and aloe vera gel. We're just going to put it in the blender now. Now with the cucumber, we just have to cut up the cucumber quickly. Just cut them in some small pieces that easier for the blender. Slice them. Should be fine enough. Now the kiwi, you can use a spoon or you can peel a kiwi. I'm just gonna peel it as we're here now. Yep, next one. Just give it a one slice. There you have it. So now let's just add our 3.5 cup of water. Yeah, let's get these out of the way. Clean up the surface. Get these out of the way. Put this to the side. Just blend that a bit forward. So there you have it now, people. Let's just go ahead and yes, people, already finished blend. So let's just take it off. Get our straining bag. So we're gonna strain it. Nice. Oh, smell that. Now you can smell a strong pineapple. Yeah, that's nice. Let's throw it in the straining bag now. That's it. Now we're gonna just lift the bag and just squeeze out all that juice. It smells delicious. Just squeeze it. So there you have it, people. This is it. Just get a nice glass. Here we have it. Let's just put some ice cube in that as well. And just show the goodness. That's nice. That is nice. Sort of decorate it up a bit. Presentation. Drop a straw inside it now. So there you have it, people. Pineapple and aloe vera juice. Very refreshing and full of benefits. So please make sure so you like, subscribe, turn on the post notification so you can receive a notification whenever time FadaGugs has post a new video. And remember, share it with your friends, your family. For now, FadaGugs is out.